your everyday, you need every time. Grab a boost of immunity support before work, before your meeting, before you head out. Just grab a stick and go. From the world's #1 ginseng brand, CheongKwanJang
Korean Ginseng Extract sticks from CheongKwanJang are my go-to birthday presents for people who I have no idea what to gift, because it comes in a beautiful box and it looks very presentable as a gift. Plus, they have all the health benefits of consuming ginseng. These ones use a 6-year-old ginseng root. Very convenient to carry around and simple to consume. Once you open it, they have 3 boxes. Each box comes with 10 little sachets that look like this, and you can easily just tear it open and consume. I always bring this when I go on holiday, because with a 2-year-old toddler, it can get very tiring. We're lugging around luggage, pushing the stroller, carrying a whole bunch of things, and making sure we have this on hand to give us a energy boost in the mornings is always welcome. So I make sure my husband takes this when we are on holiday, just to keep him in the greatest condition. Looking for something that's high quality ginseng, something that you want to boost for your energy, then this is a brand that I highly recommend.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.